How to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Turning off Vanish mode on Instagram chats is quite easy and simple. So today we'll be learning about how to turn off those Vanish mode. So first of all, open Instagram app and then log into your Instagram account. Once you have done that, go ahead and tap on chats icon at the top right corner to access your chats section, and you need to locate and open the chat that you have turned on the Vanish mode off. So as you can see that we have turned on the Vanish mode. So there are two different ways to turn off that. That is, one is you need to tap on the username at the top of the screen and select privacy and safety option. Here you need to simply toggle off the button of Vanish mode, and this is how it is the one way to turn off Vanish mode. The next is you need to come back to the chat page and you need to swipe up in this way and release it, and this will finally turn off the Vanish mode of Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.